Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a header in Microsoft Excel. At first, we have to open your Excel document, then go to page layout, print titles, select header, then customs header. Left section, type your sentence, and center section, type your sentence and right. Then OK. Go to sheet, rows to repeat, select this, then OK. And file, print, then page on page 2 we can see the added header personal monthly budget. Page on personal monthly budget, then page 2. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.